Aircraft is taking border security to new heights. Maria Nider shows us the Border Hawk now has a new toy, night vision.
It's dusk in the desert just south of Sierra Vista, a time when border traffic picks up under the shadow of night. But now the American Border Patrol has built the Border Hawk, an aircraft that sees through the darkness with an infrared camera to search and record foot traffic.
We are looking for what we refer to as SBIs, and what SBIs are suspected border intruders. Somebody that's come across. We're not in a position to identify them as illegal or not. So we just look for a group of people walking north and call the Border Patrol to have them go check it out.
We're set.
We manually launch it, get it up to a safe altitude, and then we just turn it over to the autopilot, let the autopilot take over.
The Border Hawk's thermal imaging system captures potential border crossers by detecting body heat. You can see me right here on the black and white camera.
But it's more difficult to detect activity from 500 feet in the sky. Take a close look at this video from April 21st. The white cluster of dots is a group of at least 6 people walking toward the U.S. border. Then just 45 minutes later, the Border Hawk catches a line of 15 more suspected border crossers. On the ground, the crew monitors the plane's flight from a control center, patrolling hotspots where foot traffic triggers strategically placed sensors.
So when a sensor does go off, what we have is the ability to send that aircraft from wherever it is directly to that spot.
It's up to the U.S. Border Patrol to investigate the situation and take the immigrants into custody.
Our goal is to have clusters of these UAVs along America's borders flying 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Maria Nider, KGUN 9 News.
At least 61 undocumented immigrants have died in our deserts since the 2004 fiscal year began in October. At this time last year, 21 bodies were found, and last year was a record-setting year.